Hi, I'm Kavyadharshini. My project title is BudgetBee, which is an expense tracking application. I built this project using MERN stack, React for the frontend, Node and Express for the backend, and MongoDB for the database. Before using an application, there is an authentication part. If you are a new user, you need to register first using the username, password, and the target amount. After the successful registration, you need to log in using the username and password. Here is a dashboard that has the target amount on the total spendings. If you want to add a new spending, fill the fields like title, amount, category, date, and the mode of payment. After filling out the fields, click on add your expense. In the dashboard, the total spending is updated and it shows a visual chart which I built using Chart.js. And below there is a history which has the payment history, and there is a profile which has a username and password and the target amount which can be updated by the user, and the user can also have the privilege to delete an account. Thank you.